Good day again, friends, RC fans. Alvin Holgita RC. We have another RC truck here. It looks like it's quite bulky package. Let's check this out. Yeah. Okay, let's go with some features of this monster truck. A 0.25 engine, 3-piston clutch. I like the 3-speed transmission. Got big bore shocks, 4-gear differentials, rigid axle. What else? Full ball bearing, 5-link suspension, a nice quality transmitter, a waterproof servo. All right, let's check it out. Look at that. Did you see it, friends? Did you see it? Wow. Right, first accessory, we'll check it out. So we have here a wrench, another wrench, air filter, 2 zip tie, washer, and another wrenches. Good transmitter. You can see very nice. The model is KT231P+. Synchro. Look at that. Throttle, steering trim, throttle, dual ride. Takes 4 AA battery. Let me just lower this a little bit. Yeah. Okay, I suppose this is for the LED lights. Okay. Oh, looks nice. Okay. Okay. Ta-dang! Did you see it, friends? Oh, awesome. All right, here it is. Let me have a look, closer look. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Quite big. Okay, give you some comparison. A little bit of comparison, and this is the cheaper version. And look at that. Okay, so to give you an idea, that's the HSP there on the side. The HSP, and this one is Kyosho. Look at that, a bigger, I think it's got a longer wheelbase, bigger tires, and obviously good looking. It's Kyosho, ladies and gentlemen, RC fans. All right, I'll put this one back. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. All right, USA-1, the replica. It's got a stars and stripes here theme. It's got a air filter there, protruding on top of the hood. Got a nice foam tires. copied from the original USA-1, white colored rims, and it's got side mirrors. It's got lenses and ready buckets ready for LED. A nice chrome bumper. I suppose this one goes here. That one. Or at the back, another signature chrome bumper. It's got a roll wheelie bar. And okay, let's face this way. Hope you can still see it, right? Let's check what's inside. Under this cover. Okay, got a roll bar here at the top. Look at that. Nice decals from the original USA-1. Do you see it? Look at that. America needs the Spirit of Christ. Well, I can see there. Very nice chrome pipe. And let's check this out. Okay, here it is. Okay, you can see 0.25 engine. Full start. You get a 3-speed, which I like. Yeah, 3-speed is very rare to find. Apparently it's a waterproof servo. Get a nice tuned pipe. Nice adjustable. You can see a nice, very big ball. Adjustable suspension. You can see the 3 gears there, and chain towards the transfer case. You can see, and then the disc brake here. You can see. Very strong looking axle. That's what I like about this. It's really like a monster truck chassis. It's not a car chassis. Yeah. Some labeled monster truck, but actually it's a car chassis. This one is really a monster truck chassis. You can see that one. You can see how solid looking this axle is. Let's cut this. Let's cut this one. You can see here. Very solid looking axle. You can see. Really a monster truck chassis. So some cars labeled monster truck, but actually it's a car chassis. This one is more realistic. Monster truck chassis. Look at that. All right. I can't wait to try this one. Try to crank the engine. All right. Let's see. Put the battery on. Just bear with me, friends. I hope I have given you some information about this one, but it looks great. Okay. Okay. So now put the petrol. We'll put the nitro fuel, and we try to crank it. See how easy to crank. Okay, the carburetor is filled. Let me put the battery for the trend receiver. So for this demonstration, for this video, we just have to see if it cranks easily. We don't want to smoke this garage, otherwise I get poisoned. So we just have to see how easy it is to crank this engine. Okay. All right. So where is the power on? Let's open the throttle a little bit. Where is the throttle? Throttle. Okay. Throttle trim. Okay. Put this one on top. Wait. Put this one on top just so we don't want to ruin the okay. How's that? Okay. Let's put the glow plug. Open the throttle a little bit. Okay, let's rock and roll. Put this body, this is very precious body. Almost cranking, ladies and gentlemen, RC fans. Okay, let me just okay, one more try. All right. Almost there. Okay. Almost there. ladies and gentlemen, RC fans, that's the Kyosho USA-1. Put the body back. Look at that. Oh man. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Looks great. It looks great. It looks great. Look at that. Put this one back. Very awkward looking. Okay. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice grill. Okay. What do you think? I like it. I like it, ladies and gentlemen, fans, friends. Too big, and my car stand is a bit smaller. Look at that. Oh, let's get this car stand. Feels very awkward. All right. Look at that. Nice. Big, man. Look at me. I'll stand here so you can see me. I'm sweating already. Look. And then I'll bring this one. Look at how big this one is. Ah, nice. Wow. Nice looking. You see it? How bulky that one is? Wow. Nice. Wow, do you see it? Wow. All right. We'll break in the engine and we'll come back to you. All right, friends, what could be more realistic than this RC model? Kyosho USA-1. Very strong, bulky axle, front and rear, 5-link suspension. He's got a 3-speed transmission, real nitro engine. Oh man, can't wait to play this one. I like it. I hope you like it too. I hope I've shown you everything that's interesting about this car. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.